Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate WhatsApp without verification code. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if this is your new phone and you wanted to log in, but it needs a verification code, well, you have to enter your phone number right here. And under your phone's messages, you'll be able to see your verification code. Now, what if you don't receive the code or the code from your email? All you have to do is open up the other phone, okay? Then in here, under the new phone, tap on the three dots and tap on link as a companion device, okay? Now what you'll do is just go ahead and open up your WhatsApp on your primary phone. Tap the three dots at the top right. At the top right, you'll be able to see link devices and then tap on link a device. After that, the camera will open. Just point your phone to this screen, okay? And once done, this phone right here will be automatically logged in without using a verification code. And that's about it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.